NIO's day was loaded with good news. NIO, Qualcomm, and NVIDIA, 1000 kilometer range, which is 621 miles by the way, and the European market penetration over 2021. So the question is, should you hold or sell, and how far up can NIO really go? In this video, we will explore what a reasonable price of NIO is. Welcome back to the first NIO technical analysis video in 2021. I don't personally like to ask people to like the video before they watch it, so instead I will ask you to remember to like the video and subscribe if you like the video and find it useful. So in a previous video, we said that NIO is at the crossroads of two channels going up or down. We also said that given NIO's company profile, it's more likely to go up, which it did. We kept the upward channel and removed the downward channel. We also plotted another tighter channel that gives a better estimate of the price movement on the short term. NIO gapped up on Friday and closed above the channel's inner support trend line in anticipation of NIO's day, with the clear rejection of lower prices. Now the argument is, will it drop on Monday because people are locking in profit, or will it continue to gap up, especially that NIO's day was loaded with good news, not for Tesla lovers though. So across all time frames, we are trading above the super trend, the Kumo cloud, and the conversion line is above the baseline in the Ichimoku cloud indicator. The DMI up to the 1 hour time frame is showing higher selling pressure than the buying pressure, but with low momentum. Higher time frames, on the other hand, are showing higher and increasing buying pressure and high momentum. On the daily chart, the RSI has cooled down and is heading to the overbought range. But compared to previous levels, this is considered the middle for NIO in terms of the RSI levels. We are pushing the upper Bollinger Band and the upper line in Donchian channel across all time frames. The Bollinger bandwidth is getting tight on the 10 and 15 minute charts, which indicates that a big change in these time frames is about to happen. If we look at the EMAs, we will find that they are all in order and pointing up. On the daily chart, they are gaining a higher slope, reflecting the bullish trend. On the 4 and 2 hour charts, they have slightly lower slopes. As we go down in the time frames, we see that they curve down more, indicating consolidation, but the crossover is not much and not significant. In fact, the 5 EMA started to curve back up on the lower time frames. This is suggesting that the bullish trend may continue, even though many people are expecting a sell-off, and with the current small channel that we can see here, this is also what we expect. But you never know, it can break the structure and break out of this small channel. So what levels should we look for tomorrow and the rest of the week? We closed just above the 61.8 Fibonacci extension level. If this continues, NIO may break the small channel, so I will be watching it trying to break the 60.5 level. If this happens, we can see a run up to the 61.67, which is the 78.6% Fibonacci extension level, followed by the 100% Fibonacci level at 65.1, which is also the median of the big upward channel. I could be underestimating the positive momentum after NIO's day, so we can see way higher values of 71.8, 75, and 78.7. On the other side, and if we see strong selling pressure tomorrow, taking advantage of the momentum after the NIO's day, then we can see a drop to the 50% Fibonacci level at 57 or 38.2% Fibonacci extension level at 55.2, with the worst case scenario dropping to the 52.2, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level. And also it represents the inner support trend line of the small channel. This will also form a handle for what we could be seeing as a cup. Honestly, it would be nice if it happens, because these low levels will soon be of the past. So for the next week, I know the levels to keep an eye on to decide when to load up more of NIO or when to sell. If you want to see the price moving between these levels, do not forget to subscribe to get notification to join the daily live stream whenever we go live. Also join the NIO's Discord channel on our server. The invitation link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a great year full of gains.